So I'm here today to change the fb2 lock on this to an fb1. They haven't managed to be able to get it open. As you can probably see inside, the latch lever even has come down, so it's failed. So I'm just gonna try and track the bolt like that, get it open, and then change it. The new running nicely. Working locks. Now I've just got to tighten it back up, put the screws in, put the scutching back on, we're done. So that's it, scutching back on, it's all screwed up and locked in. It's now opening as it should. I think I'll put a newer scutching on, that one's going to be better down it. Working fine, just changes the scotching. So fb1, so now we'll change from an fb2 to an fb1. Before scratching off, I've come across two problems. One, there is no way for the key to go in because there was no hole at the back to allow for the extended part to go through. So I poked the hole through so the key now goes in and it turns, but I feel as though the latch has failed, lever has failed, the same as on the one downstairs. So this one, unfortunately, because it's an inward open door, I'm just going to drill a little pilot hole, lift the levers and get it open. Drill the pilot hole, just got to go in there and there we go. Lift the lever. Pull the door's now open. Just managed to get the bolt back enough to get the door open. So now I'm going to change it out for an fb1. Get the new one in. It's the new one in. Just now go get the key. Test it out. fb1, no, it's fb2. fb1, fb1. So yeah, problem we're still getting is the hole in the back. Take it out again, make that hole a little bit bigger. In the back. Let's see that little hole there. Just got to make it bigger. There we go, made the hole bigger. fb1. Okay. Perfect. Just do that up now, and then we're done. Got a lot of jobs on today, so I'm just going to do a compilation video, upload it for you over the weekend hopefully. I see my gate and spring videos have done really well. A lot of you are watching it. That's what I do this for. And hopefully you can pick up some hints and tips along the way and we can learn from each other. Right, that's that done. Scratching on, we're done. On to the next one. So new lock has been fitted. Just going to test it now. All locked.